Okay, now the people who joined this video call, please stop the video, sir. Don't pass. Settle on faster, please. Faster. Observe now. Today, please observe, sir. Please. Observe now. Now, last class, what we done, we logged in by last class, we created, we went in detail of the EC2 instance, what it took on to status, what are the things required for the creating EC2 instance, AMI required, security group, VPC, everything, because in detail, what is the prerequisite for creating any EC2 instance. And we created a new EC2 instance, we launched a website also. We installed HTTP package, we started service, we enabled the 84 and we launched a web page. Yes, sir, no, sir. Yes, sir. This class, I don't want to install manually. I don't want to install the HTTP package manually. I don't want to add the content manually going into the server. While creating a server only, automatically, please observe, when creating a server only, automatically package need to be installed. When creating a server only, automatically package need to be installed, package, and also I need to start the service also. And also I want the content I want to display in the website, that also I want to add. So, well, launching instantly, it should automatically happen. I don't need to log into the server. I'll take the IP, I'll hit in the Google, the web page should open. Last time, server create agi, manually logged in. Then we done image HTTP package, then service HTTP start, then we reset the CD slash of HTML, we added a content, we launched a web page. This class, I'm going to use the one EC2 option called as a user data. Inside user data, I'm going to add all the functionality which I already having a plan of doing. You no need to do after launching instance. I'm going to do before launching instance only as a pre-request. That I'm going to do. Getting my point, sir? Clear? Understand my point, right? These are all the things, sir. First, what the things I need to do manually? What are the steps I'm going to do? These are all the things I was doing last class. M install, HTTP-y ಕೊಟ್ವಿ, then service, HTTP start. Yes, sir. To make it permanent enable, we have check config command, sir. chk config command, check config HTTPD on. In Red Hat 7, we are going to use the system CTL. System CTL enable crondy. Then I'm going to add a content.
I'm going to add as a user data testing. Please observe. cd/1, no need to do. I'll tell you, please. HTML. Only index.html file add ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Yes or no, sir? These are the things we added. We have done manually this all the stuff. Yes, sir. This I'm going to create on shell script. I'm going to add for the EC2. It will automatically do during creation of it. Yes, sir. So any shell script going to start with the line hash exclamatory in bash. Right. I want to perform another file, another thing also. I want to create an empty file also in the server. Test/tmpla. Instead of only create an empty file, I want to say the uptime command output. /tmpla upt.txt ಅಂತ ಒಂದು file code. These all things was supposed to be performed automatically during creation of my server. Correct, sir? First, let me do. Afterwards, you're going to do. Clear, sir? Please. Please observe here. Sir, don't speak, sir. Please. Please, I don't want anyone to speak. Observe, first I'm going to complete it. Later, you're going to do, not with me. After this, I'm going to give 10 to 15 minutes time. You can try. Clear, sir? Please observe. I'm going to click on launch instances. I'm going to mention any name. User data EC2. User data EC2. The internet, sir. I mentioned the name. And everyone my Amazon Linux 2. Okay. Sir, AMI, I'm going to select a second Amazon Linux 2. Amazon Linux 2. Then instance type, I'm going to select a t2.micro. It automatically selected. That is the free version. Getting my point, sir? Next, sir. Key pair. What we used it already generated. Same key pair. What the key pair you have in your laptop? This is my key pair. Okay. Network setting, leave it as it is. No need to change anything. VPC autonomous network selected. Subnet automatically gets selected. Don't worry about it. Security group only, sir. Allow SSH for 22 port. Yes, sir. Last class we allowed 80 ports, sir. Correct, sir? As automatically allow HTTP traffic ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 80 port automatic enable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಐಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಆಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ರೂಲ್. Yes sir, no sir? That we are done. Allow HTTP ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ automatic it will allow. Now this is done. Here is the important option. Suppose now I have a scenario. I want to create a please observe, sir. I want to create a 10 servers. I want to create a 10 servers with the one user created called as a P1. Please observe. I want to create a 10 server with a user created P1 and HTTP packet need to be installed and automatically web page should be launched. ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇಂಚ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. But I'm not going to do 10. I'm going to create one only. I'm telling you a scenario like production. Sir, my scenario, I want to create a 10 server with the same configuration. In the all the 10 servers, they should be user created called as a Chandrasekhar and also HTTP packet need to be installed and web page should be launched. Right? If this option is not there, I need to create a server. I need to log into all 10 servers. I need to perform from these servers. The user data will execute once server got created. This is very clear in this point. User data will execute once server got created immediately. Bash profile is the first profile going to execute when users log in. Yes, sir. Adhe tarane bash profile Linux, sir. Bash profile. Bash profile is the first profile going to execute when the user directly log in.
ಅದೇ ತರನೇ AWS ಅಲ್ಲಿ first profile going to execute one server got created is user data. That user data option available in advanced details I'm going to show you. Is not going to included in the OS. Please be very clear in this point. Same concept, same functionality I'm going to discuss today, two topics. Don't get confused. User data will execute one server got created. It is not a part of the OS. It's not the part of the RHL ISO file use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. It is not a part of that one. I'm going to write a shell script. One server got created, I'm going to execute that order. Getting my point, sir? That I need to do. Clear, sir? We can give how many instances you require, that many instances of same configuration will be done. Alright, but I'm not going to go much, sir. I'm going to click on advanced detail. Please observe. Here I'm going to post the shell script. I written the shell script here. I want to create a user also. User and T1. I'm going to create a user. I'm going to install the packet. I'm going to start the service. I'm making the HTTP service permanently enabled during booting automatically. Service should be on. That one. Then I'm adding the data to this file. Then I'm saving the uptime command output to this particular file. Correct, sir? Suppose you have one functionality, I want to launch it, but I don't want to go manually. Just my functionality to launch a web page. A server manually execute ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. Correct? I can do this thing. I can take the IP, it on Google, it will work. I'm going to do that one first. Yes, sir? Please. Copy. User data ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Yes, sir? User add. Any spelling mistake, anything, install HTTP, service HTTP. If any small mistake is there, it's not going to perform that option. HTTPD-Y. Fine. Yes, sir. Number of instances I given only one. How many instances you required you can give? 100 also you can give. Productionally, but here we have limited of 10, I think so. Correct, sir. I'm not going to create much. That much. Only one only. Now I have done. I'm not going to log into server. I'll take the IP. I go to it in Google. The web page is going to launch. ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸರ್ವರ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜ್ಗೆ I can take from now outside because I started everything here only. ಏನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. It's going to execute. User data is the first script going to execute when one server got launched. During server creation not going to work. Next ಇದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿನ AMI ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ AMI ಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. That is different concept. I'm going to tell you. Right, sir? Now server got created. Let me click it. You people going to do afterwards and try. Give me 1 minute, sir. I'm going to click here. I'll get in the public IP. I'll take the public IP. Yes, sir, here. Should work, sir. If I done correctly. Otherwise, I open an incognito tab. It may take some time. Came, sir. User data testing. Yes, sir. Without logging to server, last class allu ide madidvi. Server login agi install madidvi now. Now without touching login to server, I've done everything. Got the functionality? Got the point right? Now I want you people to do the same thing. Where the precautionary measure you should take is only one thing, two, where you need to add details is when you click on launch, the two important thing where you are supposed to be conscious when you're doing. ಇದು ಬಿಡಿ ಇದು ಸರ್ವರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ AMI ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದು ಫೈನ್ ಕೀಪರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ security group. When you click on create a security group, this should be enabled. Fine, no issue. Come back. This automatically enable ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸರ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay? Here you don't select any other thing. Come directly here.
Another one point. This user data going to execute only one time during the creation of server. Stop ಮಾಡಿ server ನ ತಿರ್ಗಾ on ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವಾಗ execute ಆಗಲ್ಲ. User data going to execute only during the creation of the Linux server during boot up. During creation only. One time in lifetime. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Getting my point? First you need to prepare in notepad better. Compose ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Compose ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then go here in the advanced detail. In come down, you need to paste that script. Understanding my point, sir? I'll give 10 minutes, sir. You can try. First prepare this thing. What the command you want, you can do, sir. I mentioned up 10 greater than. You can mention free command also. Don't give top. Apart from top, any command you can. First prepare your thing, what you want to do. I given P1 here. You want to give what you want to give. This all will execute during creation of any Linux. Not any Linux or the exotic Linux. Preparing notepad, then go to launch instance and do it. This two is mandatory. This 4 step is mandatory for me. This 4. And up 10. It's not mandatory for me. This 4 is mandatory for me. Throughout the class, you got to that Amazon Linux 2 only, sir. AMI, as I told you. Second option. AMI second option going to use throughout the course. Launch now. All done. Keep the back. Keep the back.
Web page launcher. What it does? Take the IP and it in the browser, you're getting web page. And if you want to verify the user created or not, log into server. Mobile system server, you can click on server, mobile system, connect whatever you want to do. Log into mobile system, verify that user got created, and uptime this file also should be created. Log into server and verify for user and file details. What answer can return? Web page got launched. I am going to log into server and verify that user got created and this file should be created. This I'm going to log into server. Last class we discussed about how to log in via mobile system. Mobile system, sir. Yes, sir. That you are supposed to do by logging to mobile system. We can directly connect also, but that's not suggestible from my end. I take the public IP. I'm going to log in via my Ubuntu session. You people go to the mobile system. Mobile system last class I told how to connect, sir. That is the thing I created. You're going to connect from mobile system, sir. First, I'll show you whether I exit my server. Please observe here. 1 second. 1 second. Last bench. Last benches. 1 second. Web page got created, sir. Observe here now. 1 second. User at P1 and last file I need to verify. These two data I need to verify. I'm going to log into server. Observe my delay. Sudo space -i. Get TNT password. P1. Created, sir. And there should be a file by the name up.txt. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ uptime command output ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದೆ. You need to log into server and verify. How to log into server? Last class I told how to connect from mobile system. Take the public IP and connect. Sir, there can be only the 1 second, don't discuss, don't discuss, don't discuss. Observe here now. Observe here now, 1 second, sir. Don't fix, sir. There can be only the two types of mistake. One you pasted the wrong, observe here now. 1 second. One you have pasted the wrong command. Spelling mistake of install hash exclamatory pin bash, that mistake. Another important thing is security group, we allow HTTP. HTTP, if you not allowed, it not going to work. Allow HTTP. Security group, allow HTTP option select. If you not selected that option, it not going to work. Now, kindly confirm me, who was able to launch it effect kindly click here.
Server on create party.
What you getting here?
We
It's the issue with the internet. Other anyone having the issue, don't think something. Observe now. 1 second, sir. Please avoid the noise, sir. It is helpful for me also, for you also recording. If you make the noise, sir, it's going to corrupt your recording only. I am not going, I can't help you. Please. Observe enough. Who are tested with the web page and also file in the server? Oh, fine.
How to connect server, anyone and issue skills, sir? What the thing, right? Good. No. Now, sir. Now we discuss about this of the. Now, what is the use of user data? Server not getting on internet, you need to handle it, sir. I already told internet issue, I can't be aware. You should handle what buy the two things, what are the things you want to buy, you do it from your end, and then check with your coordinator to arrange the group. That depends upon you. I can't help because AWS complete class it depends upon internet. Observe. Now we discuss about user data. User data, what the functionality can instead of doing the manually. Instead of doing the manually operation step by step, during the launching the instance only, automatically I want to perform few operations. I want to create 100 server of same configuration. I want to create a user. I want to create a non-budget small shell script. I want to create 100 users in all the 100 servers. I came all attended today with the Python shell script. I written for loop there. That for loop also I can mention that. That for loop also I can clearly mention that. So it's going to get 100 users also. I written a small shell script here, user at P1 only. But we can, what are the shell script you want to do? You can do it. What are the shell script you want to do? You can do it. That what is the use of user data now? I want to clarify. When the server got created, first thing going to execute in the server is user data. Once server got created, immediately going to execute. Correct? What is the default operation you want to do after creating the server that you can avoid it by? Is the OS link agilla, sir. It is not present in the OS, sir. After server getting created, we executing. Understanding my point, sir? Clear, sir? Any confusion?
Can also use the Python script.
Yes. Can Python also shell? Since I creating Linux server, I'm going to the shell script. We can edit Python. Abdana, sir, don't speak, sir, please. Please don't discuss what happened initial. Mobile are not connecting, that's what the issue. Server got created. People connection. If internet issue is there, it's not able to. It's simple. What happens? Please let me know, sir. Now, sir. After here now. After here now, please, sir. People and you should let them speak. Other person can concentrate here. Please. After the class, 1 second. People and after class, I can help. No. Now, sir. Last class I told. Mobile system we are able to connect only if you have the PEM key. Mobile system we are able to connect only if you have the PEM key. Think like I have a scenario. My project manager is in the California. He created a new Linux server. He generated the PEM key. He created a new Linux server. He generated a PEM key. That PEM key is in his laptop. He gave the server IP to us. One Linux server can be connected by the 64,000 users. Correct, sir? Now we can't able to connect the Linux server with a password. We should have the PEM key to connect the Linux server. Yes, sir, no, sir. Without PEM key also we are able to connect, but using the connect option. Now, you'll connect option 6, E option is the connect part. But this option is available only if you open the AWS console. Correct? Somebody will not be able to GUI access. All the user won't be having the GUI access. Every user should be able to access only for command line only in the office. Person who launched it server, person who has a GUI access, they can use. Correct, sir? Now they say no GUI access, they only command line access. But to connect from the Linux server command line, I should have the PEM key. PEM key is saved in my manager laptop. The manager went to some other station now. He shared the IP, he not shared the PEM key. This is the situation. Only one server IP I can't connect, sir. Now how can I connect the Linux server? This is the situation. Getting my point, sir? Now, defaultly AWS EC2 Linux server, password authentication won't be enabled. Now I need to enable the password authentication. How to enable password authentication? That I'm going to tell you now. Everyone going to do. First, we'll do step by step. Please concentrate. Anybody having the issue, please ask me directly, sir. Please don't discuss this person. Please, you should also understand there's a 70 people. If you start speaking with others, I will also get disturbed. Getting the please. Please, minimum getting handout, 2 hour handout. Can you sit? After class, I'll wait for 30 minutes. People actually can sit with quick. After class, for each AWS classes, I'm going to wait for 30 minutes after that class. For all the weekend. Right? You can sit with me, I can work with you. Listen, please. Observe here now. No. Here you are connected to mobile system. Yes, sir. Any remote connection on Linux server, go to work on SSH. Yes, sir. SSH configuration file though cd/etc SSH folder. Correct, sir? Go to this part, sir. Go to cd/etc SSH. cd/etc SSH. Yes, sir. Okay. First, I'm going to tell the line number. Until that, wait for me. I'm going to find out which line number is there. You don't need to type this thing. You don't need to type, sir. You don't need to type this thing, please. Password authentication. Yeah, 63rd line. Okay. Oh, everyone open. Vim SSHD underscore config. Vim space SSHD underscore config. Then open this file, sir. Vim space SSHD underscore config. Everybody should do, sir. Done, sir. Vim space SSHD underscore config. Getting my point? Yes, sir. Jump to the 63rd, escape shift to colon 63. Escape shift to colon 63. Escape shift to colon 63. Jump on line. Yes, sir. Password authentication is no, sir. Password authentication is no. Yes or no? Let me get right. Password authentication no. Now, everyone jump to 63rd line, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Press I. Insert option will come. Insert option will come. Change no to yes. Change no to yes, sir. Password authentication no yes ಮಾಡಿ sir. Jump to 63rd line. Change no to yes. Change no to yes. Change no to yes. Doing sir. Yes. Then save the file. SK shift to colon WQ0. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Jump to 63rd line. SK shift to colon 63. Save the file. Save the file, sir. Save the file. Jump to 63rd line. Password authentication no is there. Remove that no. Change it to yes. Then save the file. Who all done this thing? Kindly lift your hand, sir. Who all done this thing? Kindly lift your hand, sir. Who all done, sir? Please. Okay. Now I'm going to come to each person after these steps. Now, sir, please observe, please observe. Now I'm going to set a password. Password space EC2-user. Password space EC2-user. I'm going to set a password for EC2 user. Set the password, sir. Password space EC2-user. Set the password. Password space EC2-user. Once we edit the configuration file, we need to restart the service, sir. Service SSHD restart. I'm going to paste these commands. This thing, then service SSHD restart. Mention the command. You restart service, sir. Service especially restart system CPL restart is not anything. It's all nice. No, sir. We enable the password authentication for the server and we restarted the service. Please take 1 second. I'll give once I log in, once I able to log in, I give another 5 minutes for you, then you can try. This is how we go into Ivaga with the current server. Because previously using FemKey, sir. FemKey can't be shared with everyone. I'm creating a server, FemKey will be my laptop. I can't share my FemKey to if I get to my FemKey, he'll be able to log into all the server. It's all I'm creating, yes or no? Because same FemKey using the FemKey never was supposed to be shared. So default give AWS password authentication enable irada. So enable model. Once we enable, we need to restart service. That also done. We set a password for EC2 user. We can create a new user, set a password also, that user also going to work. That's the first I'm going to try. Later we can try. Clear? Keep the focus here, please. Observe, sir, I'm going to open new session. I'm going to try. Please observe. Please observe. Don't fix, sir. SSH. I'm not going to use the -i option. This I'm going to directly username @ public IP. How the? This is a normal Linux. How we log in? ಹೊಸ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಥೆಂಟಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕಾರಣ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Logged in? Yes, sir. This is how we going to enable. If you create any user set a password, that user able to log in. If you have a doubt, I'm going to log in for another user. I'm going to user at P1 available ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ. Okay. I'm going to set a password for P1. P1 default ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅವಾಗಲೇ. If you want to create a new user. Done. I'm going to log in, sir. New session. The new session. Yes, sir. I got, sir. Observe now. SSH P1 at the rate of public IP. Logged in, sir. Correct. How are you going to open? Mobile external again, new session. Mention remote host IP. Specify username only. EC2-user. Just give OK. Don't select any private key, advanced setting, nothing. Just click OK. You'll get a password option. Enter the password. Artha aita? Madi. Going to do. Everyone should do. Understood, right? Just specify the username, EC2-user. Don't select advanced setting, nothing. Just click OK. It has password. Enter the password. So stay. Do it, sir. No retrieving the PEM key. Remote host, specify username. Just contain EC2-user. What your set password. Click on OK. It asks password. Enter the password. From here also it will shoot out. Now we can tell. What the EC2 instance is created is multi-user. Till then it was not a multi-user because it is using only the same key. Till yesterday, till today morning, it was not a multi-user functionality because same key was using. Same key and AWS console in the connect option because we don't have AWS console access lot of time. Then my manager going to share only my server IP. How are you going to connect? Same key is not being enabled. Then I am not able to connect. Correct? ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು AWS console ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ console. Correct, sir? That may be limited access. You don't have right to launch also. You are not able to write and connect also. Correct, sir? At the time, password authentication need to enable, you need to connect. Understood? Yes or no?
Enabling password. For enabling password.
Yes, sir. That they will enable. What you can do, they will enable.
But if they are not enabled,
No, they want you to log in, then they should enable. Femkey is not suggestible to share, sir. Femkey if I share, he will be able to connect all my server, which I will help me. Nothing is required. If I share my Femkey, I have created 100 server, I can able to connect. If I have password authentication only for this server, I am able to connect only this server with password. Not for all the servers. Security matters. Understood, sir? Now, please don't speak up. Right, sir? After class, 15 minutes. Both of you. Wi-Fi should not use. Don't connect. Wi-Fi please don't connect, sir. We are recording. Abdul, now. Come back here now. Now, today first concept we covered, please. First concept we covered about the user data. While creating server only, once the server got created, what was the first thing was supposed to execute that I mentioned. Right? You please be very clear in this point. User data is not present in the AMI. AMI ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ RHL ISO file ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ 6.3 7.9 ISO, that is the AMI. Which OS for the AMI selecting, that OS you are going to install the server. It can be Windows, it can be Linux, it can be RHL, it can be Ubuntu, it can be DPL. But since it is the Amazon company, they are not going to give the sponsorship for other things. They are going to select the Amazon Linux only. Right? Because RHL, if they give free, they need to pay for RHL. Amazon Linux is their own product. That is also unique only. Getting my point, sir? User data is not binded with the OS. User data we executing once server got created. Then I have a scenario. As I told, 100 server I want to create our same configuration. Then notably, Varun Kumar. Please, any doubts, sir? Doubt? Ask me no. I should can't read the faces, but only doubt. Doubt, yeah.
password.
No, sir. Now context. Now please observe, please observe. Now scenario, please come back. Now my scenario is I want to create a, please observe. I want to create a 100 server with a user created P1 and web page getting launched. This was the scenario. Please observe. This was the scenario. Think like a user creation. Okay? I want to create a one user and web page also to be launched. These are the things I mentioned. This will use it with the user data. Correct, sir? Think like you have this in mind, but mistakenly you forgot to add this in user data. Immediately you click on launch. Number of instances 100 as a 40 sir. Please understand the scenario. What the mistake can happen in user data? Right, sir. You have when creating server, everything kept you ready. User data, shell script also created. Everything prepared in notepad. Number of instances 140 Advanced detail user data add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ user data launch ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ 100 server create ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. But you don't have required thing. In this case, what to do? I need to log in 100 server again. I need to install, create a user, install package. These are the things mistake can happen since it's not present in the OS. What the packages, what are the things user I created that is not present in the OS, that's not present in the configuration. We on the OS we added the detail. Yes, sir. Now, what is the installation of package? What is the user I created? That I want to add to OS only. That I want to add to OS only. Understanding, sir? Yes. Now I have one server with HTTP package installed, and I created a one user called P1, and I created a one file called as a /tmp upt.txt of time. These three things I want to bind into add to OS only. These three things I added the user data. It is not present in OS. One server got created, it got executed. Suppose mistakenly I not added advanced details. I give 100 server. I click on launch. Mistake will happen, sir. Execute but I missed out advanced details adding. I prepared shell script in 30 minutes. But I missed out the adding. Now I create 100 server. Now I need to manually log into each server I need to do.
Can't we terminate those services?
I can terminate, but my manager told me. How much is responsible? 100% get coded. So you get a notification for each launch, each creation, each stops, each reboot. Why you created, why you terminated? Why you not responsible? Okay, what you told, solution is there, but to avoid the mistake. This all the thing because it is not binded in the OS. Now, I want to add this detail in the OS itself, so no mistake happened from again. Getting my point, sir? Package installation can be added in OS. Please understand. User creation can be added in OS. Creating file can be added in OS. And we can uptime greater than the command also can add it in OS. But service things, sir. Service thing can't be added in the OS.
service we need to manually start it. Manually start it, bari service detail matter user data like that. If I want to do it. Otherwise, we can go to manually and log into server and go. Package configuration only, configuration details only can be added in OS, not about service details. Service start ಮಾಡೋದು, stop ಮಾಡೋದು. I'm taking the complete server. Your EC2 instance ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ EC2 instance HD package ಇದೆ, user P1 ಇದೆ, uptime greater than 5 ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಂದು OS ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೊಸ. I'm going to write the step by step now. Please observe here. Later we going to do. Please concentrate. What we done now? This area. Now I had a normal on the AMI. Default AMI. This is the default. Please observe. Please observe. Please. What I'm going to do? This picture is going to give clear idea. Default AMI. I'm created a new EC2 instance. Please observe. I created a new EC2 instance by using. Then I install the packet. Please observe. Please observe, sir. Then I install the package and P1 user created. This is the basic thing we'll take. Correct, sir? Post created the default AMI on Amazon Linux 2. I taken that AMI, then I created a new server, then I install package and created a user. Yes, sir, no, sir. Now, my scenario is throughout my what are the project. In my project, all the servers which we creating. Sir, don't speak, sir. Please, sir. Please, people who want to speak, they can go out, sir. Please. Please. In my project, all the users, all the servers which you are creating should have HTTP package installed and user P1 should be created. This is my thing. What all the new servers I'm creating in my project, this configuration should be present. Correct? User ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವರ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ HTTP ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ವರ್ಗೆ MySQL ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಯೂಸರ್ ಡೇಟಾ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. One server you could 10 server you want to create HTTP packet. I don't want to make a hard code. This server I'm getting HTTP packet. Another 10 servers I'm creating that are MySQL. At the time I can install user data. That will advance. Throughout my project, what are the project I'm creating, what are servers I'm creating, my project requires these two packages only. This is default. This is default particular server HTTP package MySQL ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ server login ಆಗಿ install MySQL ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. This I want to know what I'm going to do. I already having a server with this all the things. Yes, sir. Default EC2 create ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇದು package ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು convert into AMI. EC2 instance na one EC2 instance which has the HTTP packet and user P1 is there. That server I'm going to convert into Amazon machine image. That is called as a custom AMI. Till now we using default AMI what the Amazon has provided to you. Now as per my project requirement, I'm going to convert my EC2 instance into AMI so that this AMI can be used for my project. Correct, sir? DBA project, one AMI. Inondu project version, DevOps project, DevOps team. Then on default the packet need to be present. So I create another DevOps AMI. When they want to create any server, they can use that AMI. Clear, sir? Correct, sir? We already have one server created with the HTTP packet user at P1. So I'm going to convert that server into AMI. I'm going to use that AMI, going to create a new server. Then automatically this package will be present. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Yes? No? No. Now I'm going to the Amazon console. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅದೇ ಸರ್ವರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. We created, right? Same server only. Go to everyone can do with me only. Click on action, sir. Click on action, click on images and template. Click on images and template. Click on action, click on images and template. You have an option called as a create image. Click on create image. Enter any name. We can guess what the December 23. What is the December 6, right? 7, right? December 7, HTTP underscore HTTP AMI. You can give what are the name you require. Image name, image description, same. That doesn't matter. Don't select any other thing. Click on. Don't select any other thing. Give name. Click on create image. That's it. First is Madi. My AMI, what I'm creating. I mention here. AMI name. For my reference, I mention. AMI create aita. Done, sir. You're getting your pop-up here. Yeah. Copy creating AMI. Okay, super. Sir. Who all created AMI can lift your hands now, please. Yes, sir. Now you have no OS now. Please observe. We already having one OS with HTTP package installed, user had created. Correct? Now throughout project, whenever I require HTTP package is user at P1, I no need to add user data because in already inbuilt in the OS. Correct, sir? First I'll go to AMI and show you where the AMI is listed up. Then by using that AMI, we're going to create a new server. Then we're going to log into that server, verify HTTP package install ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ user at P1 create ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಆ file clear. Clear, sir? Service status doesn't affect here. No. Right side, left hand side only. Drag down images ಕೆಳಗಡೆ AMI ಅಂತ option ಬರುತ್ತೆ sir. Click on AMI. Everyone should do, sir. Left hand section, images under, you'll get AMI. Click on AMI. Owned by me ಅಂತ ಇದೆ sir. Owned by me ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? Sir, that are this AMI which we created now. You will be getting only one name, I think so, because these are used for last batch. Yes, sir? Yeah. Public ಅಂತ click ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, this is the public images which is available in all AWS account. Owned by me, private images, private AMI that is created by me and my team, my account. Public images ನಾವು select ಮಾಡಿ Amazon Linux ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ sir, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು. Correct? Today we created a custom AMI. Owned by me, which is created by you. Private images all ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is created by my account. Correct? One account can be used by multiple people. Only my manager, architect team, data center team. That is private. Owned by me and that is which is created by you. It is available only in your account. Understood my point? Yes or no? Okay. By using this AMI, let me name it. I'll mention this only. If you wish, you want to name it or better name it, sir. Name the same AMI. Name it, sir. All done? Will do, sir. Okay. All done, right? Super. Now, drag up, click on instances. Click on launch instance. Click on launch instances. Click on launch instances. I'll name it as a AMI instance. You can give what are the name you require. I'll give it as a AMI instance. You wish what you want to give. Okay. Illa important is ivaga. Click on my AMIs. Click on my AMI, sir. Click on my AMIs. Automatically select ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ actually. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you have more number of AMI, you need to select which AMI you want to select. Correct, sir? Owned by me, which you created. Share it with me. Suppose I want to share my AMI to Sujit. That also I'm going to do today. That also I'm going to share from region to region, share my account to account. Everything going to try. Kindly understand. Understanding, sir? Auto AMI select agide bere ella same option is sir. Instance type t2.micro keep a login code. We're going to log into this server. Everyone. Okay. Keep a login code. Then network settings, let it be same. Illi hello HTTP. Mr. Satya. This one, sir. Hello HTTP. Traffic from internet. Yes, sir. Now. Track down. Your service start agala anta helide sir nanu. Service won't get started automatic, is not binded with the OS I told, sir. That details I can add in shell script also, but I don't want to do like that. Let's do it manually. Once we're going to log into the server, we verify first package is installed. User P1 idya ilva nodona. File state agidella nodona. Then we manually start it. First you should understand manual, then you can auto. The service status I can add here itself. I don't want to merge it. So you will get a confirmation once you log in only. Better. Okay. We no need to add advanced details. Click on launch instance. Click on launch instance. Click on launch. Done, sir. Click on launch in your launch it, sir. Okay. Now log into that server first. Log into that server, sir. Log into that server by mobile extern first. Log into that server from mobile extern. Log into the server, take the public IP. Log in, sir. You need to do from PEMKey only, sir. We are not enabled path authentication for this server. You need to log in from PEMKey only. Let me do 1 minute, sir. Now, sir. Who are logged into server, can lift your hand, sir. Okay. Now, sir. Let's verify now. First step, user create agide nodona first. AT&T password P1. Idya? AT&T password P1. User is there, sir. Yes, sir. Next, I need to verify package. HD package install agide alla nodbeku. M list installed. Pipeline grep. M list. M list. Better we give M install on. M list install pipeline grep HTTPD. Package install agide nodake, sir. Is installed. M list installed pipeline grep HTTPD. Yes, sir. Madam. T, madam. English install pipeline grep HTTP. Done, sir. Here is getting the output of HTTP. Yes, sir. Who are getting 10 different copies? What still doing? Sir.
Done the user got created. We install the package also or auto install. Yes or no? Since it already binded in the OS. We are not mentioned in the user data. It automatically got happened. The game. Is the aim. What by wants the clear? No. Let's need to verify few other things also.
And file should be created, I think so.
up.txt.
That file also is there. That is also created. Yes, sir. Correct. Another one important thing. Go to cd/var www HTML. Go to this part, sir. HTTP package install adre automatically folder create agutte, sir. cd/var www HTML folder automatically get created once the HTTP package got installed. Idರಲ್ಲಿ index.html ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ user data testing ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. Same file, same content ಬಂದಿದೆ. If you want to change anything, you can change it. No issue. All verified, sir. But service won't be started automatically. Service HTTP status inactive. Service HTTP status kodi sir inactive because one time you will be we enable check config. Yeah, if I give only service HTTP state start in user data andre ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ check config ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ sir. What is the check config? It's going to permanently enable. It's going to permanently enable, right? If I not given check config, the service would not have started, sir. But if service HTTP status start at the ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ active. Since I given check config or systemctl enable crondy, we use it. Systemctl also you can use. The check config also is so it got automatically enabled. Now if you take the IP, it in Google, it should work. This I went logged in server to verify the package user, but it got this I forgot whether I can check config or not. So I thought service won't be started, but check config was enabled there. So automatically taken that configuration. Getting my point, sir? Take the IP, it in the Google, coming or not verify. Take the IP and it in verify. Came, sir?
It's also the Abdul, please Abdul sir. Now we tested, please understand. 1 second, sir. Now we tested the condition. We taken a base server. It doesn't have any data. We taken a base Amazon Linux AMI. We log into server, we install the package, we created user, everything we done. Then we use that server configuration, converted into AMI. By using that AMI, I created a new server, all the configuration came. Our server user data testing and the copy there. So same aim, this AMI also got the same user data testing only. But if you want some of the data, you can manually go to the index.html and change it. Correct? It doesn't supposed to be. What the AMI you've taken, that is only for the existing configuration. 1 second, sir. That's happened only the existing configuration. Correct? If we again the base server getting AMI, base server effect. Correct? That's the thing in production, what we going to do. Please observe, sir. We tell it as a golden image. We tell it as a golden image. Every day after business hour, we're going to take the new AMI. Because one base server, sir, one centralized server is there, we're going to perform all the actions here. This image, this server configuration I need to use for our target server. So this server taken a reference. We're going to take the automatically image to be happened at the morning of the business hour. So this AMI can be used for future. Getting my point, sir? Understanding? Yes or no? We tell it as a in production golden image or golden AMI. Base AMI. The custom AMI. Getting my point, sir? No. Now, sir, this AMI I taken. Consider now, right now we are in Mumbai, AP South -1. Correct, sir? One of the manager, my on-site manager sitting in the California or the
Virginia, where we use the account, right? Virginia, Tokyo, Stockholm, lot of region here, correct? My on-site manager is telling, I need to, please observe, please observe, please observe. My on-site manager is telling, I want to use the same configuration what you have in Mumbai region in the all the future servers which I getting created in the Virginia. What the servers which we getting created newly here, we getting HTTP packet user at P1. Correct? This automatic getting happened since we have the AMI base AMI in the AP South -1. My on-site manager says same configuration only I required in the Virginia. Correct? One option what we can do, we need to create a new server in Virginia. We need to install packet, we need to create a user, we need to convert that into AMI. Again, we can use it. Instead of doing that one, we have a option for copying the AMI from region to region. No, we can avoid that operation. We can copy the AMI from region to region. We can copy the AMI from first region, then I will tell that one. Getting my point, sir? Clear? Let's do that one. Go to AMI, sir. Left hand section, ये images होगी, AMI option सिखता है. Go to AMI, owned by me होगी. Then December 7, you have the option you're getting. Click on, you're on your same page. Go to AMI images, AMI selection. All done. Click on actions, copy AMI. Click on copy AMI. Here you will get the things. Destination region only, sorry. Right now it's in Mumbai only. I want to copy it to Singapore. Wherever you want to do, you can do. Your wish. Yes, sir. Click on the where the region you want to do. Click on Singapore. Your wish, where you want to do. Your wish, sir. You want to go to America? Click on Singapore. Yes, sir. Then click on copy AMI. You're getting here pop-up in Nodile. This is the base AMI. New AMI ಇದು Singapore ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ AMI ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Correct? This is the base AMI. This is the new AMI. I'm going to take this AMI as a reference. New AMI in Singapore. Sir, this I'm going to check in where Singapore. I go to Singapore now. I'm going to verify this AMI existing or not. Change the how easy, sir? Go to region to region. Click here. Click on Singapore. ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ 98B0 98B0 go to the region Singapore and verify. Go to which are you. By this we can avoid creating the server doing manually. ಆಯ್ತಾ all done sir. Fine. Madam, what happened? Internet. Observe now. We copied from, please observe sir. Please observe. We copied from anyone required help? Anyone? Manjula done sir. Now we copied from region to region. Now let me see. I click on this AMI. ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸಿಂಗಾಪುರ್ ರೀಜನ್ AMI ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ AMI ಇಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀಜನ್ ಇಂದ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಪಿಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ AP South from this AMI. By this we can justify more. Clear sir? ಹೊಸ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ I'm not going to do. This is the basic understanding. Getting my point, sir? No. Again, you go back to Mumbai. AP South -1. Where is that? Go back to Mumbai. Go back to what? Come back, sir. Now. Now, sir. Now I want to another scenario now. Now, copying from region to region, we came to know how to use within the account, we came to know. Now, things like I'm working with SEO technology. I created a base, I created a custom AMI. This AMI, I need to share it to my client. Things like a client as a Mercedes-Benz or Common Technologies, what are the things? So, you want to share as a, want to say. Let me take my client manager is Sujit. I want to share my AMI to Sujit account. How to share? You are my internal, sir. Now I'm going to share from outside my account. I'm going to share my AMI to Sujit. He going to use it. Correct? But if I delete my AMI, I'm sharing now. Getting my point, sir? That I'm going to do now. How to share the AMI. Please observe, sir. Please observe, please observe, please observe. And click on it. Please observe. First, I'm going to do. After this, I'm going to give 10 minutes. You can do. Don't do it. This is the last point. Please observe. Please observe, sir. Don't do it now. I'll give 10 minutes afterwards. I select AMI, click on action, edit AMI permission. I'm going to do. You don't do, sir. Please, sir. Please concentrate. Now, private, share the accounts. Tell me your account ID, sir. Without account ID, I can't do, right?
277
277
0711
0711 5962. I'm going to, please observe. I'm going to share my AMI to Sujit account. Save the changes. If you want to go to the organization level, they say another ID will come as a organization O user that we're going to give. How many AMI, how many account you want to do? You need to add account ID and save changes. Yes, sir. You need to go to Mumbai in your account. You need to check with this AMI there or not. This AMI, I'm going to paste here. Share it to Sujit. This AMI you need to verify in your account. It will be under share it to me or private. It won't be under you share share it to me. Share it with you. Which reason I shared? It is good. I shared from Mumbai. You need to go to street. You need to go to the other than Indian share with yourself, sir. Go to solve.
Once you shared it, he went to Mumbai. He should be under private image, not monopoly. Not private. Private image. Safe question. Copy can be done, yeah. Sharing, some brave can be done. It should be private images, sir. Not owned by niche private images. You should check on a private image. Who are trying, sir? Like for another 2 minutes. Because what we private images, not owned by me. Active, right. Will be there. Private images not used by me. It won't be under public also. So if you just select and yes,
If you want to remove the access for user, it go to you select it. If you want to remove the access, edit AMI permission again. Select the account. Remove. Save changes. That's it. Now remove the access with it. Now you want to remove AMI chargeable, sir. AMI is chargeable because it's saving the storage. They won't give simply. AMI is chargeable. If you want to remove AMI also, please observe 1 second, sir. Last step. 1 second. Share ಮಾಡೋಣ remove ಮಾಡಿ access ಇವಾಗ. Edit AMI permission ಹೋಗಿ remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. I want to remove AMI itself. Deregister. Select AMI, deregister AMI. Better you do these things because it is chargeable. Deregister ಮಾಡಿ sir. Select the AMI, deregister the AMI sir. Select the AMI, deregister. ಯಾರು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. It will take some time. Don't go to you need to be under by me. You can't deregister private user. It got shared from some other. If some other manager created, architect created, that is fine. Understood, sir? Correct? Tomorrow we're going to start about the subnet division, network division. VPC you want to start. Before VPC, I need to tell you about the how to divide the IPs. How to divide the IPs. Class 1, class A, class B, class C. Then we're going to start with the VPC. Next week we're going to complete VPC. Next week we're going to complete mostly VPC. Once VPC got completed and EBS CFS got completed, we can tell 60% completed. Let's see. So next week we have class. Next week is 15th, no? 16th. Last week there will be any class. Only 50% completed. Next week there will be class. Last week there may be chances of December last week. I may take off. Next 2 weeks classes are there. Okay. Last week also not confirmed. I'm telling you. Don't plan yours. Stop the EC2 instance. Sir, stop the ECT instance, sir. It's chargeable, please. To avoid the suspension of account, please stop the ECT instance, sir. Who are having issues can sit with me now. People who are having the issues. Jayant and Nishant, please. Not you ping me, sir, today. You already pinged me. That's it today. I'm sending for Adha, sir. I'm sending. You only person? All 3 email IDs. Email IDs you should share. Email ID. Then how can I share, sir? Email ID. Linux notes, right? Yeah, which notes? Linux notes, okay. AWS notes you can share. I ping in a group. People who mentioned.
We will ping it very much.
Linux notes separately.
Yes, done, sir, already. We already pinged it.
AWS note I'm going to ping in a group, sir. You can share your email ID. Thank you. Yes, sir. Everyone, yeah, all 3 email ID. One person. All email ID.